As nuclear talks restart in Geneva, Iran's oil on the water reaches record levels. As nuclear negotiations resume in Geneva, Iran's oil exports surge to unprecedented levels, complicating global energy markets. Analysts warn of shifting dynamics amid lingering tensions, with Goldman Sachs predicting a potential easing of geopolitical pressures by late 2026. Though market volatility remains uncertain. HP blames memory price surge as it forecasts earnings at low end of previous guidance. HP attributes its cautious earnings forecast to a sharp rise in memory chip costs, potentially impacting its financial outlook for the upcoming year. The tech giant expects profits to align with the lower end of earlier projections. My favorite Bluetooth speaker is on sale for $50 off right now. JBL's popular Flip 7 Bluetooth speaker is now $50 off. Perfect for summer adventures. Snag this portable powerhouse before the sale ends and enjoy crisp sound on the go. Don't miss out on this deal. Apple team launches Acme Weather, a new take on weather forecasting. Former dark sky developers unveil Acme Weather, a fresh weather app with vibrant forecasts, sunset, rainbow alerts, and innovative predictions. A bold new take on forecasting from the team behind Apple's acquisition of Dark Sky. After record sales, murky forecast sinks Carvana's stock. Carvana's stock plunged *20% post-market after a weak 2024 forecast. Despite record sales growth last year, investors remain skeptical as the online used car giant fails to clarify its future trajectory. Climactic launches hybrid fund to get startups through the Valley of Death. Material Scale, a new hybrid fund, aims to support climate tech startups navigating the challenging Valley of Death. Starting with apparel industry innovations. Backed by industry leaders, the initiative seeks to accelerate sustainable solutions and drive impactful change in green technology. Curiosity cracked open a rock on Mars and revealed a huge surprise, Science Alert. The Curiosity rover on Mars made an unexpected discovery when it cracked open a rock. The unremarkable exterior concealed a surprising yellow substance inside. This unexpected find suggests potentially new insights into the Martian geology and composition. Exciting scientists. Scientists reconstruct the face of Littlefoot, a 3.67 million-year-old human ancestor, Earth.com. Scientists have reconstructed the face of Littlefoot, a 3.67 million-year-old hominid fossil. This reconstruction provides valuable insights into the facial features and evolution of early humans across the African continent, deepening our understanding of human ancestry and physical development over millions of years. NASA's Curiosity rover parks on a new spot on Mars and makes an unprecedented discovery, The Daily Galaxy. NASA's Curiosity rover has successfully parked in an ideal location on Mars, facilitating further exploration. This placement allows for new investigations and discoveries on the Red Planet, marking a significant step in the ongoing Mars mission and expanding our understanding of a Martian environment. 2 days, 2 posts, 2 more SpaceX Starlink batches launched. SpaceX launched 2 Starlink batches on Friday and Saturday from opposite coasts. A total of 54 satellites were deployed into low Earth orbit. The launches took place from California and Florida, expanding the Starlink constellation, providing global internet access. These missions continue SpaceX's rapid deployment of its satellite network. Northern Lights update. These 10 states could see Aurora Borealis tonight, Forbes. A geomagnetic storm is increasing the likelihood of seeing the northern lights in the United States. This weekend, March is noted as a prime time for viewing the aurora borealis. 10 states in the northern part of the country have an increased chance of witnessing the spectacle. Russia aims to regain space supremacy with 2036 Venus mission, the Daily Galaxy. Russia plans to send the Venera D mission to Venus in 2036, signifying their return to the planet and aiming to reassert their space leadership. This mission will explore Venus's harsh environment and search for potential signs of life, marking a significant step in space exploration. 11-year-old girl discovers world's largest known marine reptile in England's coast, Indian defense. Review: Ruby Reynolds, an 11-year-old, discovered the fossil of the largest known marine reptile, Ichthyotheton severnensis, on the English coast. This giant, measuring 82 feet, lived during the Triassic period. The discovery highlights the potential for significant paleontological finds along coastlines and the role of young citizen scientists. Scientists have released NASA rover photos showing possible insect and reptile life forms on Mars. The Daily Galaxy, a scientist analyzing NASA rover photos, suggests the possibility of insect and reptile-like life forms on Mars. The images raise questions about whether life on Mars could resemble Earth's creatures and if the planet is harboring unexpected organisms. Analysis of this data is ongoing. Man finally catches mysterious litterbug who's been dumping his trash every week, the dodo. A man successfully caught a litterbug who had been consistently dumping trash on his property. The culprit's practiced movements suggested this wasn't an isolated incident, implying a pattern of repeated offenses. The resident was able to catch the litterbug in the act after multiple weeks of the illegal activity. No such thing as a shark. Genomes shake up ocean predators' family tree, Nature. A recent study challenges the traditional classification of sharks, suggesting they may not be a distinct biological group. Genetic analysis indicates that most shark species are more closely related to race than to certain outlier shark groups. This discovery reshapes our understanding of marine predator evolution and ocean biodiversity. Completely bonkers. Astronomers find evidence of a cataclysmic collision between exoplanets, space. Astronomers have discovered evidence suggesting a cataclysmic collision between exoplanets. The unusual observations left researchers surprised, prompting them to investigate the unexpected event further. This finding sheds light on the dynamic and often violent processes that shape planetary systems beyond our own. Tiny NASA spacecraft delivers exoplanet mission's first images, NASA.gov. NASA's SPARCS CubeSat has delivered its first images, marking the start of its exoplanet mission. The team is now set to begin charting exoplanets. This is a significant step for the mission and promises new insights into these distant worlds. Scientists find hemoglobin traces in dinosaur bones once thought impossible to preserve for millions of years, the Daily Galaxy. Scientists have detected molecular signals associated with hemoglobin inside dinosaur fossils using laser spectroscopy. This discovery suggests that traces of ancient blood, previously thought impossible to preserve over millions of years, may still be present within the bones, opening new avenues for paleontological research. NASA project leader blames Next Generation X-ray Telescope cancellation on agency mismanagement. Space. A NASA project leader attributes the cancellation of a Next Generation X-ray telescope to agency mismanagement, asserting that the decision was based on programmatic reasons rather than scientific or technological reviews. The leader suggests the cancellation wasn't justified by objective evaluation.